The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 is a serious contender for anyone looking to elevate their gaming experience or content creation workflow. Packed with NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, this GPU brings a substantial performance boost over its predecessor, making it one of the best choices for high frame rate gaming and demanding workloads. One of the biggest highlights of the RTX 4070 is its 4th generation tensor cores, which deliver double the AI processing power and energy efficiency. This means better DLSS performance, allowing games to run at higher resolutions while maintaining smooth frame rates. Additionally, the 3rd Gen RT cores ensure impressive ray tracing capabilities, making in-game lighting and reflections more realistic than ever before. For content creators and streamers, the NVIDIA encoder is a game changer. With built-in support for the NVIDIA Broadcast app and studio tools, users can take advantage of AI-enhanced voice and video, background noise removal, and automatic camera framing. Whether you're streaming live or editing 4K video, the 4070 ensures smoother workflows without compromising performance. Performance-wise, the 4070 outshines previous gen cards like the RTX 3090 in many games while consuming less power. It handles 1440p gaming with ease, pushing well over 100 FPS in most modern titles with ultra settings. Even at 4K, it remains highly capable thanks to DLSS 3, which boosts frame rates significantly while maintaining image quality. The MSI Gaming X Slim design also brings improved cooling efficiency with its advanced thermal solution, keeping temperatures in check even under heavy loads. The slim form factor allows for better compatibility with a wider range of PC cases without sacrificing performance. On the downside, the 12 GB of VRM might feel a bit limiting for users working with ultra-high-resolution textures or future-proofing for next-gen games. But for most users, it remains more than sufficient. Additionally, the price point, while competitive, may still be a barrier for some, especially with alternative options in the market. Overall, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 delivers exceptional performance for both gamers and creators. With its cutting-edge technology, efficient power consumption, and AI-enhanced features, it stands out as one of the best GPUs available today for those looking to upgrade their system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.